Now everybody put your hands up to the sky. And now put it to the right. Now put it to the left. And now go forward. Oh, this is my favorite stretch, I know that. Now I'm going to do my feet. Now I'm going to pick up one leg. Now I'm going to pick up the other. Now I'm going to pick up both. And now I'm going to put the right leg on my shoulder. And now I'm going to pick up the other one. Now I'm going to pick up
Tickle yourself.
Now I'm going to pick up again. Oh my gosh. And that is it. Thank you very much, everybody.